welcome to Odd Jobs. We've been doing a lot with the greenhouse, but there's a lot of stuff we didn't see. We have ventilation fans installed. These are going to circulate the air. In conjunction with the HVAC system, we're going to keep, it's designed to keep the temperature consistent throughout the whole greenhouse. And we installed these motors. These motors are going to open up parts of the roof to allow ventilation to happen, reduce temperature, whatever the indoor climate is demanding. We've got two of those. And the wall. These are reclaimed insulation panels. Don't know where they came from. They were found on the farm. We put those up to separate this part of the part of the greenhouse. This is strictly going to be the utilitarian area of the greenhouse where they're going to do their staging, their cleaning, their all that kind of stuff. The utilities panel came in, and we've got access doors at both ends, and that's large enough to allow the passage of a mule. I think it's called a mule. Those four-wheel ATVs that look kind of like a truck, but they're small. Those things. The door build is in an upcoming episode. We built those doors ourselves. And still remaining, rainwater collection. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 gutters, our eaves troughs, that are running in between all the hoops. And we're going to be reclaiming the water from that. That's going to be a good episode. And so far, I hope you've been enjoying the greenhouse build. I know we've been having a great time at it. Like and subscribe. Carry on. Leave some comments down below.